Ukraine accepts Dogecoin, other cryptocurrencies for donations as funding rises to 35 million. 35 million. Ukraine has started to accept Doge. Yeah, well, I saw them putting the address for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and crypto was bouncing back because of all this too. But you already know that. Well, I don't need to tell you.
Yeah.
You're a gambler.
I'm not a gambler.
A rambler and a gambler.
Rambling, maybe, yeah.
Maybe a wrangler.
No, not a wrangler.
No. Never wrangling.
No.
The Ukrainian government.
I don't keep wrangle. Is that a wrangle reference?
Oh. He said he'll never wrangle.
Yeah.
He is a Ford Blue guy. The Ukrainian government has raised $35 million through more than 35,000 crypto asset donations since the start. Well, this is the thing about the crypto aspect is it's on both sides. You start to wonder when you saw this happen, oh, they're freezing the SWIFT system. Oh, the banking restrictions and so on. And then you were like, okay, how is crypto going to play a role here, both on the Ukrainian side from a donation standpoint? I saw that Vitalik from Ethereum, he was nervous. He's like, I don't know what addresses you can trust here. Anybody can post, right? Imagine if somebody got a hold of one of those social media accounts at Ukraine on Twitter and put donate to this address. They'd have $30 million in seconds at their address anonymously. So you have to verify and be certain this is going. So there was that side of it. Then there was the other side of it which was, okay, you freeze Russia. Are they going to find a way to use crypto as a workaround? Right? Like, obviously, there's no way to stop that from happening, that they would just start to move assets around, settle payments and things with whichever clients they're still doing business with. Actually, they're still sending gas to Germany. They're still selling gas to China. What if you just take your payments out of the banking system and into the crypto system? And I know you got to convert it at some point. I don't know, you want to buy more rockets or whatever. But it's on both sides. So maybe that's the reason everyone's like, wow, you can't avoid the crypto. You're in the crypto on the one side of the battle and you're in the crypto on the other, possibly. But now they added Dogecoin as well, which, of course, that's an Elon favorite. Here's another post from Mikhailo Fedorov. Dogecoin exceeded Russian ruble in value. We start to accept donations in meme coin. I love how direct that is, that translation. We start to accept donations in meme coin. Starting today.
Everything helps.
Now even meme can support our army and save lives from Russian invaders. Doge owners of the world, Elon Musk, Billy M2K, let's do it. Official Doge wallet, and then he puts it there. Man, these accounts are worth more than they've than Twitter accounts have ever been worth before.
Yeah.
Like this guy's account, if he gets hijacked or if he gets captured or something, everyone has to be really careful about these accounts and what they're saying.
Yeah.
They're like, unlock your smartphone, at the end of a barrel. And then they get on there and they go send all this to there, and it's a sabotage.
I mean, it doesn't even have to be that crazy. You could do a simple SIM swap, right? Expose his phone number or something.
Beastie Boys.
Yeah. Beastie Boys.
Calling all y'all sabotage. You ever heard of the Beastie Boys one?
Yeah. Robots fighting music video.
Intergalactic.
Yeah.
Classic.
It's great.
Check Your Head. That album.
People can also donate Solana crypto as well as any other digital tokens based on Solana. Ukraine is also accepting NFTs. Of course, why not get them in the mix as donations as well? So they want the apes. They want the crypto punks. They can sell it.
Why not?
Give me your art. We'll sell it.
It's crazy how interconnected everything
Intergalactic.
is. Planetary.